In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a team to Jira projects. If you're responsible for managing team projects and want to ensure that every team member is in the loop and ready to contribute, this guide is for you. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, making sure that not only is your team connected, but they're also enabled to perform at their best with Jira's robust tools. First, let's begin by navigating to the Jira project you want to work with. This could be a project that already has some tasks underway, or one that's freshly minted and ready for action. Opening up the project allows you to see all the associated tasks, issues, and components that your team will focus on. Having a clear understanding of the project's current state is crucial before making any assignments. Next, when you're creating or editing an issue, pay close attention to the team field. This is where you can select the appropriate team to handle the issue. Assigning an issue to a team rather than an individual can streamline communication and improve workflow, as it allows all team members to jump in where they can add the most value. Once you've assigned the issues, your team members will immediately have visibility into the tasks they're expected to tackle. They'll be able to see and work on issues that have been assigned specifically to their team. This transparency not only fosters accountability, but also encourages collaboration, ensuring everyone can contribute to reaching your project's goals effectively. Now, let's dive into adding a team to a team-managed project. This is especially important if you're setting up the project for the first time or when you have new members joining your team. In your project settings, you'll want to locate the section labeled Access. This is where you can manage who has permission to interact with the project and to what extent. In the Access section, you'll see an option to add people. Clicking this allows you to select a Jira group that represents your team. Make sure you're choosing the correct group, one that accurately reflects your current lineup of team members. This will ensure that every issue assigned to the team gets the attention it requires. After selecting your group, you must assign them an appropriate role such as member or administrator. The roles determine what level of access and control team members have over the project. For day-to-day tasks, assigning members to the member role should suffice. However, if you need some members to help manage settings or oversee larger aspects, you might opt to give them administrative privileges. By following these steps, you'll have successfully linked your team to a Jira project, paving the way for seamless collaboration and enhanced productivity. I hope this guide has made the process clear and approachable, and that you're now ready to leverage Jira's full potential for your team projects. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.